Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. If your Canon G3430 printer is giving error while you give any print command or copy command, and in the screen it's showing 5200, a printer error has occurred, turn the printer off and then on again. Okay, it's saying that printer need to be repaired, and because the ink may leak out, do not tilt the printer while moving it. So we didn't tilt the printer. I think that in this printer there is an issue. First of all, I will turn off the printer. Okay, there is an issue in this printer, same like old models. There is no ink in the print head. Okay, you can see these pipes are empty, and there are no ink flowing inside these pipes. Okay, so there is no dashboard over here, because in old models we can fix the printer with the same issue with the buttons. So I will teach you today how to fix this error using your computer. First of all, turn it on. When you turn on the printer, it will not give the error straight away. Okay, the error will appear only when you give the command for print or print for copy. So I turned back it on, and it will be ready in a while. The power light will stop flashing. It means that printer is ready. We need printer in ready state. Okay, we need printer in ready state. Then whatever your operating system, you have to follow the instructions that I'm going to show you now. Okay, here we go. Printer is busy, showing busy now. You have to go in control panel in your computer and printer and scanner settings. In my laptop there is Windows 11, so I will tell you the quick way to go to the printer settings. Windows plus R button and write control printers. Okay, right here control printers. When you will write control printers and press enter, it will appear a window in front of you like this if you have Windows 11. If you have Windows 10, it will open a screen. Anyhow, you have to go printers and scanners. You have to find the printers in your computer, and this is the printer. I will right click on it and will go printing preferences. You have to right click on your printer icon and you have to go printing preferences. I will click right, and it will appear the in front of you. Look at here, printing preferences, maintenance and preferences. I have to click on maintenance and preferences. When I will click on maintenance and preferences, it's gonna show like this screen. If in your computer is not showing this screen, then you have to install the complete driver from Canon official website. Okay, what to do now? Printer is ready, there's no error. Okay, in that screen I have to go for deep cleaning. Okay, I will go for deep cleaning. I will click here and I will select here all colors or only CMY. I will click on all colors and then I will press start button. Start print head deep cleaning. I will press OK. Okay, and now you can see power light start flashing. Okay, and the deep cleaning process has been started, and here it's showing the message, do not use the printer until deep cleaning has finished. So I have to wait until this deep cleaning process finished, then we will give copy command or print command, and then we will see if suppose there should not be any error remains like 5200 or any other error. So this process can take up to 7 to 10 minutes. So I have to wait until this setup finish, then we will check again. Okay, after finish the process, the power light will stop flashing and printer is now ready to copy again. Okay, this is the first method. Okay, if you successfully complete this, it's okay. Otherwise, second method is if you don't have computer with you, you have to press the cancel button for 7 seconds and it will start the ink flush process by itself. Okay, and also it can be this issue can be fixed using this method. If you want to ink flush process without computer, press the cancel button for 7 seconds. That's it for 3430 method. And if you also if you couldn't fix your printer, you have to take it to nearest service center for Canon. Thank you for watching. All the best.